Another important feature that YouTube has introduced in the last recent weeks is the ability to link your short videos directly to your long form videos. In order to link your short videos to a long video, go to your YouTube studio, then go to the details section of one of your short videos. Here on the right side, you can click to the related videos section, and here you can select a long form video that will be connected to your short form video later. Let's choose this one, for example. By using this way, when you go back to your short video, a clickable link appears in your short video, and when your viewers will click on it, they will be redirected to your long form video. And if you are on your smartphone, go to your YouTube Studio app, select your content. On the top side here, you need to select the Shorts option. Select one of your short videos. Here you can edit your video by tapping on the pencil icon on the top side, and now it will take you to the edit video screen. They also added an option, related video, here. If you tap on that, you will see the list of your long form videos. Select the long form video that you want to connect with your shorts video. Click on save, and now your shorts video will be connected with your long form video. By using this way, you can also connect your short videos with your long form videos. If you use this method, you will not only create a bridge between your short form content and your long videos, but also your audience will have access to your clickable links in the description or in the comment section of your long form videos. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.